taxi, carpooling, ride-sharing, community bikes, and anti-car activists. Chapter 1. Alternatives to owning and driving a car. Taxi/driving people for money. Uber. Uber.com/drive. Lyft. Lyft.com/driver-pay. Lyft.com/drive-with-Lyft. iCarpool. iCarpool.com/drive.html. Hop-skip drive. Driving kids around. hopskipdrive.com/driver-sign-up. Rent your car for money. Turo. Turo.com/list-your-car. Get around. Getaround.com/list. Hire car. Partner.hirecar.com/list-your-car. Carpooling/ride-sharing info. You set up a system. Some days people near where you live ride in your car with you to work and back. Other days, you ride in their car. Rideshare.com. Commuterpage.com/ways-to-get-around/carpooling-vanpooling. Actweb.org, Association for Commuter Transportation. Aveco.com, get rides at a moment's notice. Cabicar.com, share a ride, sometimes people pay for gas. Carpool.ca. Carpoolconnect.com. car-pooling.com, France, Germany, Italy. Carpoolmatchnw.org, Oregon, and SW. Carpoolworld.com, matches you to local carpools in your area. Carshare.com, UK. chicocommute.com/car_pooling, Chico, CA. citycarshare.org. dividetheride.com. erideshare.com. flexcar.com. giishigo.com, a ride-sharing system. goloco.org. goosenetworks.com. iCarpool.com. liftshair.org, carpooling in the UK. myridesmart.com, Atlanta, GA. nbtc.org, North Bethesda. newride.com. pickuppal.com. poolen.com. rideamigos.com. ridefinders.org, St. Louis. rideaparoweb.com, a white label solution for companies and cities looking to set up their own carpooling site. rideshare.511.org, San Francisco. rideshare-directory.com, New Jersey. roadsharing.com. shareadrive.ca, carpooling. thecarpool.com.au. travelsmart.gov.au/links. zimrita.com. zipcar.com. Car rental by the hour/car sharing. Some for-profit and non-profit organizations have set up programs to rent cars by the hour. carsharing.net. allostop.com, Quebec. alternatirides.com, San Francisco. autonetcarshare.com. autoshair.com, Toronto. bicyclecommuter.com/carsharinginca.htm, California. carpelus.org.uk/carsharing/what-is.html. carpoolworld.com. carsharing.ca. carsharing.org. car-sharing-freiburg.de. car-sharing-tourismus.de. citycarshare.org, San Francisco. earthiacy.com/live_car_sharing.htm. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/car_sharing. erideshare.com. flexcar.com, pay by the hour. hrmsmarttrip.ca, Halifax, NS. icscarsharing.it. liftshair.com, United Kingdom. mobility.ch. phillycarshare.com, Philadelphia. rentcarsbythhour.com, Toronto. traf9.co.uk, England. wmata.com/metrorail/car_sharing.cfm, Washington Metropolitan Area Transit Authority. Zipcar.com, cars by the hour or day. Community bike program/bike sharing/bike rental. There are usually brightly colored bikes left around for anyone to use, or there is some rental program. Metrobike.com. ibike.org/encouragement/freebike.htm. Bicing.com, Barcelona. Biciclen.dk, Denmark. Calabike.de, Germany. Citybikeveen.at, Vienna, Austria. Cyclocity.be, Brussels, Belgium. en.scvici.es, Seville, Spain. en.vilibi.paris.fr, Paris. hel.fi, Helsinki. oslabickel.no, Oslo. oibike.com, London. Sandvault.com, public bike share, an extension of public transit. Bring bike share to your city. smartbikidc.com, Washington, D.C. velovi.grandlyon.com, Lyon, Fr. zurirolit.ch, Zurich. Anti-car activist websites. ACE.org, American Council for an Energy-Efficient Economy. APTA.com, American Public Transportation Association. Carbusters.org. CleanCarCampaign.org. EarthPolicy.org. EcoCarCare.net. EcoCenter.org. EPA.gov/ODAQ/consumers. Grist.org. RalphNader.org. ReconnectingAmerica.org. RecycleOil.org. RMI.org, Rocky Mountain Institute. SmartGrowthAmerica.org. TheDetroitProject.com. Transact.org, Surface Transportation Policy Project.